I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious vegetable tomato soup. First, gather your fresh ingredients, focusing on ripe, flavorful tomatoes. Next, wash and roughly chop all your vegetables, including onions and garlic, to prepare them for cooking. Ensure you have a large pot or Dutch oven on hand, as this will be essential for sautéing and simmering your soup to perfection. Now let's build the flavor. Heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in your pot, then add the chopped onions and garlic, sautéing until they are soft and fragrant. Introduce your chopped tomatoes and a good quality vegetable broth, bringing the mixture to a gentle boil. Reduce the heat, cover, and let it simmer for 20 to 25 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to truly meld together. Achieving that perfect texture is next. Carefully blend the soup until smooth using an immersion blender directly in the pot, or transfer it in batches to a regular blender. Once blended, return it to the pot and stir in about 1/4 cup of cream or your preferred milk for richness. Finally, season generously with salt, fresh black pepper, and a small pinch of sugar to perfectly balance the tomato's acidity. Your delicious homemade vegetable tomato soup is now ready. Ladle it into bowls and garnish with fresh basil leaves or some crunchy croutons for an extra touch. It's perfect served hot with a side of crusty bread or a classic grilled cheese sandwich. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy every comforting spoonful of your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.